Welcome to the fourth and final step of CCI's pathway to apprenticeships for aspiring auto collision repair professionals like you. You've aced the interview, received valuable feedback, and now it's time for step 4, pitching your internship or apprenticeship. So how do you make that pitch? Let's break it down.
Firstly, I'd like to thank you for the opportunity to interview with your amazing company. Based on our conversation, I'm confident that I can bring value to your team. To showcase my capabilities further, I propose a no-obligation short internship. This would be a hands-on opportunity for me to demonstrate my ability to learn quickly and adapt to your workflow by shadowing and working with key team members. This internship could be completed in as little as 3 weeks. At the end of this period, I suggest we have a review session. You can then make a go-no-go decision based on my performance during the internship.
By proposing a go-no-go decision, you're addressing concerns the company may have about offering internships. It's important to emphasize your commitment to the company's success.
If the decision is a go, I'd like to discuss a structured apprenticeship program offered by the Collision Career Institute, CCI. This program can be adapted to meet both the company's needs and my interests in auto collision repair.
Sharing your willingness to invest in your own training demonstrates your dedication and sincerity. Providing information about CCI's apprenticeships shows your proactive approach to professional development. And there you have it, the final step in CCI's pathway to apprenticeships. Best of luck on your journey, and we hope to welcome you to our program soon.